Hey, welcome back. So in this video, I'm just going to dive deep on this split view. So the split view splits the screen, and it can be either vertical or horizontal. And you can drag it using this nub. So I'm going to click on the nub, and I'm going to drag left and right. So that's the general idea. We've all seen these on modern operating systems, but it's pretty amazing to see it working on a machine with only a 1 megahertz processor. And it's actually doing a lot. So I wanted to just show some of the things that it is doing. As we drag this way, check out what's happening here. So this view is contracting. This scroll bar is proportionally computing its size. This view here is contracting and dynamically clipping at this edge. These tabs, the labels on the tabs, are dynamically shrinking, and the tabs are proportionally laying out. And then on this side, this label is set to be centered within its view, and so you can see that it is dynamically centering itself. And also, there's a margin, or rather, what you can't see is that each of these buttons is inset from this edge. So as you make this too small, these buttons don't reach the edge because they're maintaining a margin on both sides. And we can also fully collapse this. So if we drag it all the way to that edge, we can devote almost the entire width of the screen to this side. And similarly, we can go this way, and we can collapse that entire side. So that's the split view. Thanks for watching.